Today I'm on the north side. I want to feature a builder called Century, and this little community is just getting started. So let's go see what they have to offer here on the north side of Jacksonville. So they're having a great event today, but this floor plan is really cool. So your left side is your garage, and here's a half bath. We have a living room, dining room, and kitchen. They all come with quartz countertops. Let's go upstairs and see what else they have. To the immediate left, we have the laundry room, and they do have the luxury vinyl in the living room, dining room, kitchen, laundry room. They have the carpet here in all the bedrooms. This would be the owner's suite. You have the big king size bed. This is a really nice size bedroom. Your normal 8-foot ceilings. Got a double vanity undermounted sink with your quartz, luxury vinyl, a nice big shower. This is a really great, huge walk-in closet. I love the size of this closet. Great starting points here in the high 200s. So this community is brand new. The model home was packed today, so you're probably not going to get a great idea of it, but I'm going to upload all the floor plans for you. There's only going to be 66 homes in this community. They're doing a very, very aggressive launch. So the first 4 houses to be sold, they're going to give you a really great interest rate if you use their lender, and they're throwing in some extra appliances. Whether you get in on that deal or you're looking at this a little bit later, you're going to get a great deal. Century Homes has some really great features. They're a nice builder here, and this community is off of Main Street and Pecan Park Road. You're close to amenities and hospitals and shopping and restaurants, and yet you feel like you're in the country. So let me know in the comments what you think about this community. They also offer a 25-year warranty on their shingles, which is a great warranty. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you or anybody you know is looking of buying a home, and this is starting in the 290s for a 3-bedroom home, like this is a great starting point. And with their current promotion for the first few homes, you're looking at a house note with PMI and taxes under $2,000 for a house note. Some of them will be closer to $800, so $1,800. Let me know if this is the one for you. If not, make sure you look at this other video, because you know I've toured a lot of communities. And you remember what I always say, life is too short not to love where you're living. And I am living the dream here in Metro Jacksonville, Florida, and I would love for you to be my neighbor. Bye for now, friends. Let's go.